How to unblock fallopian tube naturally with yoga, diet, meditation, and fertility massage. Yoga. Any form of exercise can not only keep you generally fit and healthy, but also helps you to reduce your stress levels. Yoga is known for its calming, restorative effects, and it's also a fantastic way to increase blood flow and open up your pelvic organs, including your fallopian tubes. There are 2 specific poses which can help with breaking up scar tissue and freeing adhesions. The supported bridge pose and the leg on the wall pose, both of which focus on lifting your pelvis, help to prepare your entire body, physically and mentally, for conception and pregnancy. Get rid of stress. A leading cause of blocked fallopian tubes is excessive stress. When you're feeling particularly pressured, your body reacts by releasing hormones which can hinder the effects of progesterone, something that is essential for good fertility health. Unfortunately, we can never have a stress-free life. We can, however, minimize the things that make us tense. A simple way is to cut out cigarettes and alcohol. There have been many studies which link smoking to ectopic pregnancies, and alcohol to reduced libido, but these 2 vices could also be affecting your stress levels, potentially increasing any symptoms of blocked fallopian tubes you may be experiencing. Eliminate fatty and salty foods. The link between infertility and a poor diet of fatty and salty foods is well known, but improving the things you eat can also help to reduce inflammation, a leading cause of blocked fallopian tubes. Eat vitamin C-rich foods. You should focus on foods that are rich in vitamin C, which is renowned for fighting infections. Eating foods such as strawberries, kiwis and green peppers will help your body to combat any inflammation that may be affecting your fertility. Meditation. With similar benefits to yoga, meditation is a great way to relieve stress and heal inflamed tubes. Meditation can be difficult for some people, but it has been known to help with improving the symptoms of blocked fallopian tubes, in just a few short sessions. Fertility massage. Massages are usually regarded as a bit of a treat, but you may not realize that they can protect you from the symptoms of blocked fallopian tubes. A fertility massage consists of a licensed therapist locating your tubes to work on stretching and lengthening them. Blockages in your fallopian tubes can be caused by adhesions, or scar tissue, so through massaging, normal circulation is encouraged, restoring the function of your reproductive organs. Although natural remedies can help to improve your blocked fallopian tubes, the most effective and proven treatment is tubal surgery. Causes of blocked fallopian tubes. One of the major causes of infertility in women is blocked fallopian tubes. These tubes are the pathway for the egg to reach the uterus, and whenever they are blocked, it can prevent conception. A woman's reproductive system is an amazing and intricate thing. But as with all complicated systems, there are many things that can go wrong. One of the problems that can affect a woman's fertility are blocked fallopian tubes. These tubes are a crucial part of the ovulation process, allowing the sperm to reach the eggs, and carrying the eggs to the uterus. If the tubes are blocked, fertilization and pregnancy are prevented. Fallopian tubes can also become partially blocked, which increases the risk of ectopic pregnancies. There are many different reasons why these blockages occur, but it is most commonly experienced as a result of pelvic inflammatory disease. Symptoms of blocked fallopian tubes can include pelvic pain, heavy periods, painful intercourse, and fatigue. The most effective method of alleviating these symptoms, and protecting yourself from infertility and ectopic pregnancies, is to undertake tubal surgery. Depending on the nature of your blockage, tubal surgery can take many different forms, and the procedure can range from a simple day visit, to a longer hospital stay. If you love this video, please like and share your opinion in the comment box. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips.